Hey everybody, Ryan here with Catalina Bicycle Repair. In this video we're going to go over how to adjust your rim brakes. We'll get to disc brakes in a different one. So rim brakes basically just mean you've got two pads that are squeezing on either side of your wheel rim. Now to adjust it, you're going to need a 5mm wrench for most. I've also got a T-handle 5mm I like to use. And if you're adjusting the actual pad, you're just going to loosen on here and then adjust it where it needs to be so that it's not hitting the tire and it's not missing the rim entirely. Okay, put that back where it was. Now if you've got to adjust the cable, again, it's up here and it's also 5mm. So you're going to loosen that. And you will squeeze to adjust how much of the cable goes through. And you want it to let go just a little bit off of the rim for the pads. So get it to just the right spot, hold it still, and tighten it up. Good. And remember, when you're adjusting your brakes, they're just right when you can roll backwards, squeeze the rear brake, and the front lifts a little, and opposite with the front. Thanks.